treetop.
There we go. It's a good time for an intro.
What's that?
It's a good time for an intro.
Oh, thanks.
What is up, YouTube? We are back at it, doing a little bit more fall river fishing. It's a little chilly, but feeling good out here. We got some good action going on. Of course, you guys know Cam. He just got unsnagged. Cam's back out with us. Of course, you guys know him from the last fall river fishing video and from our no land video. I think his dad's working, he couldn't make it. But we're gonna get out here and dig into the fall river fishing pattern, see what we can do. Guys, and as we say it, Cam catches one. Guys, if you enjoy what you're watching, don't forget that thumbs up. And if you enjoy the content we're pushing out, consider hitting that subscribe button so we don't miss out on any new videos. Let's get out here. Let's go get bit. There we go. Fish number 2 already. Yes, sir. That's a different color. Shit, bro.
Yeah, just chopped up along that bank anyway. I'm gonna turn the boat around.
It's a little guy, but it counts. There, buddy. Little guy. He's eating. Look at that. You can see part of a pincher coming out of his butt.
Yeah.
Little guy. But it counts. Thanks, buddy. See ya.
So I'm gonna stay up close here.
Oh, that's a good one. Dude, that's a healthy spot. That's
this ain't shit.
fat.
This ain't shit.
It's a good fish. I like it.
It's weird. It's a weird place.
Isn't everywhere we fish weird? So they're not hitting the swim bait as much?
No, they are. That's the only thing we've really, those and those little worms. Holding point for windy days. Or something. There you go.
That was a soft bite too.
As I'm sitting there telling you where we caught them at.
This just got mushy. All right. Another healthy fish on the day. Fat loaded guy. Cool.
Oh, you'll get some good ones.
See you, buddy.
Old rubbery motherfucker.
Let's see what we can do with this guy. I'm like literally down in a tree top or something right now.
Don't let it fool you. This one you might not even feel it.
Yeah, it's
Closer to the butt.
another one. Hop along the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oop. That's a good fish. Man, we almost doubled. Oh man, that's fun.
What's that?
That's fun. Not giant, but another one for the day, guys.
On that weird bug?
Yeah, Sakoshi bug. I'll show you guys what I get on, but man, they're fat and they're healthy. Hey guys, I'm using this, Cam said they were starting to key on crawfish. Caught one, you'll see it earlier in the video. And it had like a burnt orange pincher sticking out of his butt. So this is one finesse thing. I don't know if you guys can see the color very well, but kind of got a little bit of burnt orange in it too. So this is the Sakoshi. I'll have to check the color. Look at this, guys. Let me know in the comments, guys, what color you think it is. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Coffee craw. Pretty cool. Head with some more imitating that fall crawfish. I'll see if I can stir something up. Yeah.
Oh, you get one of them 2 or 3 pound spots, and they blast it, dude.
That feels like a better fish.
Looks can be deceiving.
There he is, guy. Look at him running. Man, they are feisty. They're not huge, but they are feisty.
Oh, dude, they're 12-incher. Make you feel like you got 3 pounds.
Yeah. Another fish for the day. Man, they're clean. Look at the colors on this guy. Oh. Look at guys.
That's
They're hunting fish. Yeah. No
got
patch.
2 packs on the tongue.
Nope. Hey, look at the colors though. I mean, that thing's healthy. Thanks, buddy. See ya. Okay.
Okay, and then most, and then so on and so forth for each different flood stage. Okay.
Those are nice fish. Man, they are feisty for their size, man. Yeah, he's fat too, boy. Look at him, he T-boned that thing. Yes, sir. Oh, he got me.
Don't worry about getting the hook out of the fish.
Oh, this is bad news bears. Double homies? Dude, that's a good one.
Large man.
Yeah, buddy. Okay.
Nice.
Really good fish on the day, guys. I hit that treetop. Right at the boat. Oh. Yeah, they're moving down in this trench.
He came off of yours and hopped on mine, literally.
No kidding.
My worm was right there. He came off of yours and ate mine.
I can't believe this.
Like when you watch the video, you'll see it. Like he hops off yours, you make a cast, and I set the hook.
They're still here. On this coast.
What the hell's going on with the largemouth?
I don't know, but I'll take it.
Another double.
Yeah, buddy. There you go.
Twins.
Doubles. Well, he's all wrapped up. Look at that.
Yep, lassoed him.
Yeah. Yeehaw, cowboy. How am I gonna get out of this mess? I've never done that before. Oh yeah. Hey, thanks, buddy. See ya. Again on that Sakoshi bug.
Have to let them pass because we did, my God. Exactly. Get the dirt
Yeah. Yeah. Slower pause. All right, stop number 2. Look at all this riprap we're gonna hit. See what we can do. Hold on, man.
Sorry, if I say what's that, it's because I can't hear it.
Oh. Oh man, that was a nice smallie too.
Bro.
Did you see the colors on that thing? So we're sitting pretty still. It's kind of nice. I think. Yeah. That's a good one. It feels good. Yeah. Yeah. That's a. I don't know what it is. Might be a smallie. It might be a cat. It's not shaking much. No.
No.
No. I think it's a cat. It's wanting to go straight down. That's a drum. That's a good sized drum. Look at that guy. Yeah, I'm gonna need the net on this. I can't.
In here.
He's got some fight. Well, he's all wrapped up.
What? Take everything.
Look at that, guys. Juicy, big old juicy drum. Look at that big old fat drum. Dude, what do you think? That thing's got to be 4 pounds. Check this out, guys.
Dude, they're about to dump his boat off on. Oh, there it goes.
That didn't sound good.
That's gonna sink. It just ripped every bottom of that boat off.
That sounded really
The whole
bad.
bottom of that boat is destroyed now.
Check it out, guys. Pretty big old fat healthy drum. That is probably pushing 4 pounds. It's a good fight. Let him rip. See, buddy. There he goes. He gone. Came back to the mouth. Hit a few other spots. They did okay. Really crazy. So, and back to this mouth. This treat is good. Let's see what we can do. All right. You're still here.
Yeah, they went deep. They pulled out away from that.
They say when it gets tough, go one extreme or the other. Really big or really small. I'm gonna do something crazy for a few minutes and go really big. See what happens. No freaking way. No freaking way. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, guys? I just did this big old deep diver. Really kind of hit a lull. Dude, that's a pretty good healthy spot. Are you kidding me? That's awesome. Oh, wow. Man, look at the belly on that little guy. Boy, he is fat. Man, he's fat. Guys, follow me on Instagram. See pictures of the fish. It's a healthy fish, boy. All right, see you, buddy. That's kind of cool. So we've been kind of throwing smaller stuff. Having to switch up to this big old Berkeley dredger. Really didn't think it was gonna work. First cast, got a nice healthy spot. I really didn't think that was gonna work. Oh, dang it. Yeah, we're right on top of them. I'm going.
I mean, they're still here eating, still fighting.
Crazy. I don't believe this. I don't believe this. There's another one of the big plug.
Like I said, they're still here biting.
Another good healthy fish. I'm still kind of blown away. They're going after these big cranks, but still pretty cool. That's fun. All right, see you, buddy. Shoo. Like they're. It's similar to what it was this morning, but
The wind just drifts me up the river. I can't.
oh, that's a better fish. That's a better fish. That was just a good fighter. Man, this is fun. Oh, that's a good spot.
The sound of its crankbait. Just pick him up there.
I'm getting ready to.
That's it.
Oh, I think I got 2 hooks in them now. Holy cow, that's a good spot. 1 hook came out too. Oh, on the plug. Look at that, guys. You get to where the sun, where you can see this. Man, that's a good healthy spot. This is probably the biggest spot I've ever caught, Cameron. Man, that thing is a fighter too. Healthy fish, guys. Cool.
Down at Duffy's Landing.
Man, that's freaking awesome. This is incredible. Cam, I could do this all freaking day. all freaking day. Here he goes, down to the depths. All right, guys, that was freaking awesome. We're out here river fishing, kind of hit a lull. I started throwing a big old plug. Really didn't think it was gonna work.
Hold on, we hit a lull because we left where we were catching them.
Yeah, this is true. We left fish to find fish.
But now we're back.
Started throwing this big old plug. Really didn't think it was gonna work. Lo and behold, hooked into my third fish and PB spot. That was freaking awesome. It was a freaking big, healthy, big belly spot. My PB as far as spots. And those are some fighters. Those are definitely some fighters. So that was freaking awesome.